In front of me is SONY Xperia 10.3, and let me show you how to add photo to contact on this device. So at first, let's open your phone dialer. Go to contacts if you are in recent or favorites, just make sure that you are in contacts. Pick the one that you would like to add this profile picture to and select edit contact. Now just tap on the camera icon, which is for profile picture, right here, in the blue circle, and then just decide if you'd like to take a photo. If someone is staying right in front of you, that's the best option, or choose photo to pick something from your gallery. So now just select the folder from which you would like to pick your photo. So here we've got all the folders, and let me pick from camera, for example, this one. And now you can crop it, and then tap on Save Copy. So if you want to apply this picture, just confirm it by tapping on Save. And that's it. From now on, this picture is assigned to Simon. And that will be all. So you can add photo to contact. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.